You know what? I'm in the mood for some smoothie. What is going on? Oh no, I think my blender broke. But fortunately, I have my Cocinare GoPower Elite Red. If you want to improve your lifestyle through a better diet, power the change with this Cocinare GoPower Elite Red Personal Blender. Wow guys, I am really impressed by the fancy packaging. GoPower Elite. Let's open this up. What can it be? It was like packed like a PlayStation PS5 console. Ooh, this is fancy. Oh no, they didn't. You get your own membership card? That is crazy. And what are these cards in here? 7-day custom immune system boost. Oh, these are recipes. Real Madness. This is for weight loss. Green Madness. Custom thick smoothie plan. Power berry. Ooh, custom muscle. I'll be using that. That's what Tropical Haven. Everything looks good. That's red color and silver looks beautiful. It really stands out. This must be the blender part. See, it's corded. And if I take this out, this is the cup cover, I think. Okay. Oh, you twist it. All right. Nice, nice. See that motor? Featuring a strong motor which can operate at 1100 watts of peak power. And here is a 16-ounce cup. Okay, look at that. That's heavy duty. Look how thick the walls look. Got the Cocinare. Is it Cocinare? I think I pronounced it wrong. So you twist it to open it. Oh, so this must go on this. You lie in right here. So let me twist it open. Wow, look at that blade. That is a quality blade. Even says Germany made. This is what is called 6 of these titanium alloy blades. Not your typical cheap stainless steel plate. Titanium alloy. Like what they use in aerospace. And there's something else in here. Wow, check out that cup. That is quality made. And even comes with this this must be for like insulation or to get a better handle with this. I am very impressed with this. And that's just a quick start guide, I think. I might as well show you the bottom. Wow, it's got a rubber base so it doesn't slip and slide. So here's how you would use this. What you want to do is open the cover, put your favorite fruits or vegetables, ice, and mixing solution. For me, I think it's going to be coconut water. I think that's going to be good. Throw everything in here and make sure you don't go over the max fill line. It's 14 ounce right here. The total is 16 ounce. And then you are going to put this, the blade, titanium blade section connector right here, and put this on top of the blender. And then you're gonna mix it. So once you have everything in there, you press this down and then it will blend. But don't blend it for more than 1 minute because it can overheat. So you let that rest for a minute. Usually 1 minute is enough unless you have like those thick smoothies or you just put too much ingredients in there. Then after the 1 minute cool down, use it for another minute. So once you are done, you want to take this out, remove the cover or the bladed, and then you pop on this bottle cover and you're good to go. You can take it with you anywhere. Now I can't wait to try it. Welcome to my kitchen. I already have the blender washed with lukewarm soapy water. So here I have my fruit for my smoothie and also my liquid of choice is 100% pure coconut water and some ice. So I cut up the Red Delicious apple a little bit. I got 4 strawberries. So put all the ingredients in here. All right. Put the ice. And make sure you don't go over the fill line too. Okay. Put a little bit of ice. I don't want too much. Gotta have the coconut water for some smooth taste. Fill that up. That looks real good already, guys. Right there. It looks like that's for the frozen foods mix, so I could probably add more liquid or ice in there. Top. Well, not top at all, but to a good level. That's the level I have it at. You want to leave a little bit of space for the blender to go in, the blender blades. Make sure that's on tight. All right, now I'm going to insert it into the base and make sure that's also in tight. And I have my iPhone 7 as a timer. And remember, don't go over 1 minute. Here we go. Oh, by the way, for smoothies, typically it's 30 seconds. It's fine. So I'm probably going to do like 40 seconds. All right, so I stopped at like the 40-second mark. Pull that out. Okay. You can either drink it straight out there, make it like a sports cup or a water bottle, or actually a smoothie bottle. Drink it from there. Then take a quick sip first. Oh, so good and refreshing, and it's natural too. I can just pour it directly into a cup. Look at the texture. Look at that pour. Ooh wee. Just like Jamba Juice, but without the expensive price. So here we go. Cheers, guys. So refreshing. First of all, it's not overly sweet because I'm not adding any artificial sugar or ingredients, and it's pretty smooth, just the right texture, not too thick, not too runny. So depending on how you like a smoothie, you can adjust it accordingly. Now let's try it with vegetables. So for vegetables, it's otherwise known as juicing. Basically, you want to get all of your nutrients from the vegetables, and it's also like it's a different diet plan where you try to avoid meat. All right, so here I have some cut up cucumbers, some broccoli stalks, and some cut up celery. So when it comes to juicing, you probably don't want to add that much liquid because you want all the juice and nutrients from the vegetable itself. But it can be a little bit dry depending on what type of vegetables you go with. So I'm going to definitely add some water or ice to it. And since this is all I have left of the coconut water, I'll just add whatever's left. See, finish out the container. So in terms of juicing or blending vegetables, oh, I might have cramped it a little bit too much. But anyway, we're gonna put it to the test. It's gonna take a little bit longer. I'm gonna test it out to the 1 minute mark. So, you guys ready? Here we go. There we go. I actually went a little bit over, but it was fine. It looks like I should have put more vegetables in there. I guess I was being cautious. Hold on. I think because I didn't put enough liquid in there, it wasn't able to get the broccoli to the bottom. So let me actually fill this up. So I pretty much filled it up. Now let's try again. Okay, so now let's take a look. Look at that. This looks like something the Incredible Hulk would drink. See? It blended out all the broccoli. So make sure you have enough liquid when it comes to juicing. So I'm not a big fan of juicing, but I know the many benefits of it. Just for you guys, I'm going to try this. Smells like a lot of greens in here. It's quite foamy. Definitely tastes a lot of greens. It's like if you don't, so it's not for everybody. It's like if you don't like the taste of parsley or celery or cilantro, this is probably to avoid, but I know of the many healthy benefits. But of course, check this out. You can probably mix some fruits or vegetables to make this a lot easier to drink. So if you are in the market for a powerful blender that's easy to use, so whether you are into juicing or making your own smoothie drink so you can save some money, and also to impress your friends or family, especially if you're having a party, think of the possibilities if you add a little bit of alcohol in there. So with the Cocinare GoPower Elite Red, it makes it a lot more fun and easier to blend.